The preliminary assessment indicates that the southern parishes were again more affected than the northern parishes. Madam Speaker, I'm informed that we now have, again, 23 corridors, including the Gordon Town Road in St. Andrew, that are impassable or closed. So, under Hurricane Eta, we have had 206 roads affected, 23 impassable, including, which most persons would have seen circulating on social media, a major breakaway of a part of the Gordon Town Road in St. Andrew. Now, the Gordon Town Road is a major challenge at this time, as not only do we have to be dealing with the unstable hillsides that collapsed and repeatedly blocked the road, but we have a major breakaway that has essentially cut off this important main road and indeed all the communities going up into the hills of East Rural St. Andrew. I have instructed the NWA to ensure that all the necessary technical work is done expeditiously in order to get this issue resolved. It will require major effort and time to have the road connected at this location, given the challenging landscape